Pour that juice in there and pour all your gravy mixture in. Crock pot on high, lid on, 8 hours.
Oh yeah. Here, let me get up. Let me get up. All right. Got a hot stove going. Get my marinated garlic roast. Get that thing sizzling. And then flip it. In the crock pot right there. Put that thing in a crock pot. He said throw your onion in there. I mean, not onion, butter. Throw your onion and your carrot in there like that, boy. All right, so you got your sliced pepperoncinis. He said pepper and all. That. Then he said we gotta add all three of these. Man. Then you gotta hit it with this joint. Put it in there like that. Man. For 5 minutes. Here I come. It's heavy. It's heavy. And make sure I pour this in correctly. Oh my goodness gracious. Make it what? Make it get all that in there. Okay, get this whipped. Whip it to the gun.
Oh, that's a drip.
Man, you know I had to. This is the best flavor I've ever had in my entire life.